And we begin this edition of the live report with breaking news coming in. Abhishek will give us more details about Prime Minister's vaccine review meeting that went on for 2.5 hours is what we're getting to know. Abhishek, if you could elaborate on the points that were discussed in the meeting.
Well, very detailed and comprehensive review of the vaccination program, Sanika, by the Prime Minister. He sat through for about 2.5 hours with his officialdom and experts from Niti Aayog, from the empowered groups that have been set up, from the task forces that are there. And essentially, his focus was on making sure that there is no slack in the number of daily vaccinations that are happening. Remember, on June 21, when the mass vaccination program rolled out under the new guidelines and the centralized scheme, 85 lakh plus vaccinations had happened. Since then, the average has been about 50 to 60 lakh. Prime Minister said that this should not slow down. He was informed that there are already 16 districts in the country where 90% of the 45 plus population has been vaccinated. There are 128 districts in the country where 50% or more population of 45 plus has been vaccinated. Apart from that, Prime Minister was apprised of the manner in which cooperation is being taken from all sections of society and the vaccination program being turned into a kind of a participatory social program. And the focus essentially was on making sure that the speed of the vaccinations that is happening daily at about 50 to 60 lakh should not slacken in any manner till the time we are able to upgrade it and upscale it to about 1 crore, which is 10 million per day. Even at these numbers, remember, Sanika, as of now, since July 21, about 4 crore jabs have been done, which is actually, if you look at it, more than the populations of nations like Malaysia, Saudi Arabia and Canada. So I think what is happening is Prime Minister is making sure that by his direct involvement and this kind of eye for detail and comprehensive review, the entire machinery, top-down, works in a manner that that no effort is left and it is made sure that no slackness happens insofar as all levels of this vaccination delivery mechanism that has been put in place and its workings go. So I think Prime Minister reviewing for 2.5 hours on a Saturday, I think that in itself speaks something about the manner in which he is really getting into the detail of it. And of course, the ultimate objective, as the Prime Minister has said, is that every effort should be put in place so that the nation does not face the possibility that is there of a third wave with the Delta plus virus, Sanika.
Yes, and Abhishek, what's very important, like you highlighted, what the Prime Minister has been apprised that 3.77 crore doses have been administered in the last 6 days, which is more than the entire population of countries like Malaysia, Saudi Arabia and Canada. And we still have a long way to go, Abhishek, because we know that we need to inoculate the entire population by year end. So were there any talks about how the vaccine stock will be available in the coming months so as to keep the momentum of the vaccine drive that has picked pace in the last 6 days?
Well, yes, absolutely, Sanika. So, in fact, the Prime Minister was given presentations by the Niti Aayog on not just the present availability of the vaccines, but also how it pans out over the next month, 2 month, 3 month, every month, essentially, in terms of the new vaccine manufacturing facilities coming up across the country. Remember, Prime Minister had decided and the government had brought out the guidelines under which the licensing mechanism was broad-based and the manufacturing facilities were increased. Those facilities would be upstream in some time. So the Prime Minister was giving a roadmap for that. Also, in terms of the number of jabs per day, as of now, we have about 50 to 60 lakh. So by when it would be about 1 crore, 10 million per day. So everything was given to him in detail. Also, age-wise, the number of vaccinations that are happening, their age-wise breakup as of today and the projections and hopefully by December, a herd immunity across the country if the manner in which everything has been planned, if it rolls out as per that. So Prime Minister there taking 4 or 5 presentations, as I said, not just about the vaccine availability as of today and the program as it is going on now, but also a roadmap till December of both increase of manufacturing and the subsequent rollout of the program. Also, Prime Minister spoke about how we can still share science-based mechanisms that have been put in place in terms of both vaccine manufacturing, vaccine research, vaccine manufacturing, and the vaccination rollout with our friendly nations around the world. So, very comprehensive 2.5-hour meeting, review meeting by Prime Minister on the vaccination program and the vaccine rollout there, Sanika.
Yes, and Abhishek, as we speak, there is an update coming in from the Health Ministry which says that 32 crore vaccine doses have been administered for the day. The officers and the entire government machinery definitely keeping up the pace of vaccination. Thank you very much for joining us and giving us details about the Prime Minister's meeting.